Hello, friends. Imagine the people who have never seen anything in their entire life, not their mother's face, no sunlight, and not even a single color. And now imagine a chip is placed in their brain and suddenly they can see. Yes, this is not a movie scene. Neuralink is trying to do this in this year, 2026. And in today's episode 2, we are going to talk about what Neuralink is planning next, who else is in this race, and the big question that nobody is asking. So let's go. First thing, the most people don't know. It is not only the Neuralink doing all of this brain chip work. There is a full competition happening right now. And most importantly, the ideas are getting more and more creative. Take an example of Synchron. Their device Tentrode does not require cutting the open skull at all. It all just needs is it travels through the blood vessels through patient's neck all the way to their brain. No big operation, no major surgery. It is just like the doctor plays a stunt in heart patients, but this one goes into their brain. Smart move, right? And then there is a precision neuroscience. They made something they call a brain film. Imagine a very, very thin, flexible strip, thinner than a single paper, sits on the surface of a brain. No needle going inside, no damage, and the best part, it can be removed later. So, one company going through the blood vessels, another putting a strip on the brain surface, and Neuralink putting the threads inside the brain. So, three different approaches, but the same goal. This is now a huge industry worth $2.4 billion today, going to be $6 billion by 2032. And more than 90 medical clinical trials are running right now across the world. This is not a one man's dream project anymore. This is the next big technology revolution now. And now, this part will blow your mind. Neuralink's next product is blind sight. So when you will understand how this will works, you will sit back and say, how is it possible? ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? So let me explain you very simply. Suppose you wear a special eyeglasses which will have a small camera. The camera will record everything which is in front of you. And this will send the video signals wirelessly to the chip which is placed inside your brain. The chip will activate the particular part of a brain which is responsible for seeing. So, no eyes needed, no optical nerves needed, brain does the work directly. And the shocking part is Elon Musk is saying it will work even for those people who were born blind. Means the people who have never seen anything in their entire life will be able to see because of this blind sight. And then there is a long game. What Elon Musk is saying, human AI symbiosis, means the BCI, the brain computer interface. So if you want more detail about the brain computer interface, just watch the episode 1. So Elon Musk is saying the BCI will give healthy people the ability to interact with the AI system. So imagine thinking a question and getting an answer. No speaking, no typing, no screen at all. So Neuralink goal is to make this brain surgery a routine surgery, just as quick as LASIK eye surgery. So there is a twist. Now scientists are saying it is not as simple as that. Brain is much more complex. What they are saying is engineers are thinking like electrode is just like a pixel on a screen, but brain doesn't work like that. So honestly, we don't know what will happen, how the blind person will experience with the blind sight, whether they will be able to see it clearly or will it be a blurry. So we will come to know once the trial will happen. But what we know is that the America's top medical agency FDA has given blind sight a breakthrough tag. What does it mean is quick approval, high priority, and also Neuralink has partnered with Cleveland Clinic in the Abu Dhabi, and first human trial is going to happen this year. So finally, I have to be very honest with you because every news is not a good news. I have couple of questions which are coming up in my mind. Maybe you are also thinking in the same way that I'm thinking. First is related to the safety. I came to know that Neuralink's first patient, most of the threads were pulled back from the brain within a week. However, they fixed it through a software update. But what does it mean? That this technology is still not perfect. Second is related to the privacy. The brain signals are the most private thing that exists. More private than your phone, more private than your bank account. So, who owns this data? Can it be hacked? So, third is ethics. If this technology works, who gets access? Will it be for wealthy people only? Will it not be a kind of inequality? The people with enhanced brain and people without? I'm talking about the technology in which the healthy people will get the ability to interact with the AI. So if this video blew your mind, please like and subscribe this channel and also drop a comment. Would you like a brain implant which enables you to interact with the AI? Just looking forward for your comments. Thank you.